Hastani Montreokra Professor Dr. Manik Shah Triprano Kefik Kari Tripra Sramani Bagai Kok Piri Tango Montreokrani Kok Pir Mungno Nahari Jirania Police Bukaste Mandai Thanani Bishin Khobsangai Patni Amchaya Mandai Thanani Osi Dipu Depormani Twiphang Bai Kefik Kashana Onkori Shalini Shalo 1,80,000 Siddi Bwphang Tanphai Tokhogi Laika Phoisawi Laika Mandai Thanani Police Oshalo Mandai Thanani Osi Dipu Depormano Karibotongo Kwbangma Police Day TSR Rock
Khulumka Hasani Lukurangno, Norgni Bagai, Belekino Kaham Sep to be Feka, St. Joseph Hospital, West Noabadi, Amtali Agartala, West Tripura. Hasane Fatara Thaya Karano, Hayung Berni Shakdog Naikani Sep Nahari Mano, Belekino Rankisha Bino, or Hospital, Sarbrumno, General OPDO, Sakdok Najago, or Hospital, X-ray, Key, Suti, Cough Test, Clearly Bagay Namoshak Shep Shap Tongo, they test Cly Rizago. O hospital hati bar thugine eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St. Joseph Hospital talburum na Chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugani sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai faidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok seb mana ni musung khake eba tebashina musung khake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala, is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham Treatment Ungo, Operation Facilities Rock Tongo, every month, Chennai Specialist Doctor Hayor Treatment Kaipayo, Kwbangma Hospital Lokin Sulai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham Treatment Ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan Ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities Tongo, Taibo Kaham Kaisa Manani Bagay, Tin Hospital of Hayi visit Kalaimano, Hambai.